Hello everyone. This application is all about GoCardless payment acquirer. This is one type of payment acquirer which we have built in Odoo, where this helps to transfer the business operations with the GoCardless Odoo integration. And this integration empowers user to effortlessly manage the transaction, bills and financial data with streamlined process and seamless data synchronization. This is for Odoo 17 enterprise version, and now I will show how this application will be working. After installing this particular app, first we need to go to the website. Under the website, we need to go to the configuration and payment providers. So here you will be able to see all the payment providers, and the new provider will be updated, that is GoCardless, after installing this app. Here we need to update the test key from the sandbox account, and here we need to give the state at test mode. And in the configuration we need to provide the payment method and payment journal with the currency as USD. And here in the messages, if you have any messages for help or pending or done or cancelled, you can update that. And next, in the webhook point, we need to provide the webhook ID and the webhook URL, and we need to test this webhook. And once it is configured successfully, and if the test is successful, this GoCardless integration is activated. After completing this, next we need to go to the site and home page, and here I'll go to shop. Here you can see all the products which will be updated. I will click on any one of the product and I'm adding to the cart. And here I'll click on view cart. So if you want to check out this, or if you want to add any products, you can add. And if you have any address for billing and shipping different, you can just update it here. And if you have any discount code, you can just update, and I'll click on confirm. So here you will be able to see choose a payment method will be GoCardless, and you can click on pay now. And once clicking on this particular GoCardless, this will be connected with the GoCardless payment, and you can see the country and the first name, email address, everything will be shown. We need to select the billing address. So I'll be selecting the billing address for which it should be sent, and you can see the town or the city and postcode. If you have any other billing address too, this is optional, you can just add it, and I'll click on continue. So if you want to add any other address, you can just add, and you can please select your bank. So here we need to select this particular bank, that is consent authorized read refund. So I'm clicking on this, and once we click with all these information, I'll click on set up this direct debit. So this will connect it to the GoCardless, and if you have the phone, you can scan through the phone also, or you can continue on the desktop. And this will be connected with that particular debit account, and you can see the payment will be processed, it is in process. So once this payment has been successfully done, you will get a message telling that this has been completed. So your payment, so you can see here your payment has been successfully processed, and you can see the payment information and the order number with this particular GoCardless. You can print this particular invoice if required. And again, I will go back and I'll go to the website, and here in the configuration, I'll go to the payment transactions. So here you can see this transaction will be updated with the sale order number, and amount and payment method will be GoCardless, and provider will be also GoCardless. With all these address, customer email, everything, all the information is updated here. And one sale order will be also created, and after looking into this particular sale order, you can just deliver the order, and you can create an invoice, and you can do next process. This is regarding the GoCardless payment acquire. This is, if you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.